The English we speak.
From bbclearningenglish.com.
Hello and welcome to the English We Speak. With me, Fei Fei.
There you go, Fei. One skinny cappuccino for you.
Oh, thanks, Neil. It's good to get away from the office, and I like this cafe. It's very stylish for you.
I'll take that as a compliment. Now, shall we get down to business?
Get down to business? Do we have to talk about business? I thought we'd forget about work, relax, talk about your holiday plans. Where are you going this year?
Sorry, Fei, we need to talk shop for a minute.
Shopping? I'd love to talk about shopping.
No, talk shop.
Which shop?
Our shop. I mean our work. To talk shop means to talk about work, even when you're not at work.
Oh, right. And do we talk shop to just anyone?
No, Fei, just to the people we work with. I don't think anyone else would be interested. Let's hear from some more people who are talking shop.
We went to the pub to celebrate Rob's birthday, but inevitably we started talking shop.
I bumped into my boss on the train home tonight and he talked shop all the way to my stop.
We've been at work all day. Let's all have some fun and not talk shop, please.
This is the English We Speak from BBC Learning English, and we're talking about the phrase talk shop. It means to talk to people you work with about work, even when you're not at work. So come on then, Neil, let's talk about work, if we have to.
Thanks. I brought you to this cafe so we could talk about all the scripts I've got to write.
You want me to write some scripts? That's why you bought me a coffee?
Of course not. I just need some ideas for some authentic English phrases to write about. That's why I needed to...
Talk shop.
Exactly.
No, talk shop. That's an English phrase you can write about.
Brilliant, Fei. Wow, these scripts just write themselves. Fancy another coffee?
Only if we stop talking shop.
Bye.
The English we speak.
From the BBC.
Hi everyone, we hope you enjoyed that video and thank you very much for watching. We have so many more just like it, so if you don't want to miss a single one, make sure to subscribe and we will see you regularly. Hope to see you soon. Bye guys.